How to remove chat from taskbar on Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I will simply guide you on how you can actually remove chat icon from the taskbar on Windows 11. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So by default, Microsoft and Windows is actually going to put the chat icon which is at the bottom of the screen, as you can see. So if you want to remove this chat icon from your Windows 11, all you have to do is, first of all, from the bottom of the taskbar, right click on and then select the option called taskbar settings. So basically, once you come to taskbar settings here, you'll find the option called chat, which is at the very top. You can say search, task view, widgets. You can choose to turn all this off, and if you want to turn off chats as well, just tap on the option called chat over here and then just turn it off like this, and then you will be able to successfully turn off chats. And now you can see the chat icon has disappeared, and that's basically how you can turn off chats from Windows icon. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.